Hi guys, it's me Anugya and welcome to my kids friendly recipe series. Today we are going to make a refreshingly delicious drink which is strawberry and mint cooler. Let's get started. These are the ingredients: freshest strawberries, sugar, juice of 1 lemon, mint leaves a few sprigs, ice cubes, water, and soda or Sprite. Step number 1 is thoroughly wash the strawberries and slice them. So we have sliced the strawberries and now we are going to make some syrup out of that. So strawberry and water, and we're going to take a pan or a pot and put them together. Water and all the sliced strawberries. Simmer the strawberries in water for about 7 to 8 minutes. So it started getting a light pink color. Okay, so this looks like it's done. So let's strain out the strawberry flesh. Just muddle it a bit. Our syrup has got a lovely red color that it's taken from the strawberries. So now I'm going to take it for step number 2, which is we are going to put sugar in the pan and again simmer the strawberry syrup for some time. And simmer it with sugar this time. You can use either white sugar or coconut sugar for this. Stir it well. So this is done. Now we'll let the strawberry and sugar syrup cool. So we are going to get going with the strawberry and mint cooler. I'm excited about it. Take a glass and put some mint sprigs and just muddle them. Once this is done, we'll put some juice of lemon. Now we'll fill the glass up to 3/4 with ice cubes. And then we are going to add the strawberry syrup, about half glass. Top it up with some soda or Sprite or even some chilled water. I'm adding soda to it. And give it a nice stir. The strawberry and mint cooler is ready. Wow, very nice. See you guys, do try this recipe and I'll be back again very soon. So guys, once the strawberry syrup gets cold, then you can just pour it in any jar and put it in your fridge. So this syrup can be used for any other day or any parties. If you have, you can just make it in advance and put it in the fridge, and later you just have to add the few other ingredients and get going. There you go. Hope you guys like this recipe. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Anugya Sudan. I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye.